What is the Deal Zone and how to start selling there? The Allegro Deal Zone gives you the possibility to additionally feature your offers in search results and on a dedicated landing page using special paid graphic badges and promotional campaigns. It's our most effective promotion tool. To promote your offers in the Deal Zone, you need a business account and at least a neutral sales quality rating. If you meet these conditions, log into your Allegro account and go to the Campaigns and Programs tab. At the bottom of the page, you will see all of your offers. Next to each one, you can check if they qualify for the Deal Zone. To apply to promote an offer, check the box next to it. After checking the box, you can submit your offers to the Deal Zone. You can check the offer status by going to the Manage Participation tab. There, you can also change the price of the product or resign from participation in the Deal Zone. Resignation is free of charge. You can apply with individual offers or groups of offers. Select several offers or choose the Select All option. The Submit Offers button will appear at the bottom of the screen. Click Submit and wait for the offers to be accepted to the Deal Zone. You can apply for more than one badge. You can, for example, combine Hit and New. However, please remember that some badges cannot be combined. For example, Deal and Quantity Discount.
Visit Allegro Academy and find out how to boost your sales. Allegro Academy, your partner in business and online shopping.